The width of my band is 7 inches. I folded it, it's now 3.5 inches. The length of my band is 29 inches. Then I minus 6 inches away from 29. It's now 23 inches. So I divided 23 inches by 6.28. I just want to explain this because the way I explained it in the tutorial was, I think it will be a bit confusing for you guys. So I decided to explain it like this, okay? Minus 6 inches away from this band, remaining 23 inches. That 23 inches divided by 6.28. That is how I got the number I cut this circle. Then I cut 2 of this. You fold your fabric in 2 and cut it, or you fold it in 4 and cut it. Still the same number, 23 divided by 6.28. I hope I explained this very well. Let's go. So what I will do, I will take like this. This is how I take my circumference. You see, this is 4 inches, 4 inches. Then I'll roll it this way, 4 inches, 4 inches, then 4 inches, okay? And the length of my belt is 12 inches. You see? So I'll mark here 12 inches. Then I'll now take it back again. You see, this is the length of my belt from here to here, 12 inches. You see? Then I will now take it back like so. Then fix that in place. Then start to mark it, shift it. I'll mark here like so. Then shift it, mark it. Then I will add to it here for seam allowance. This is like half inch. This is where I will cut it for seam allowance. See it? This one is one side of my belt. I cut 2 of these for the both side because it has to be separate. Leather material, if you put it on it like this, it might ruin it. But this side, you can iron this side. Since I need to iron the front now, I'm not going to sew this and turn it. I'm going to just sew it this side. So what I will do, I'll put my oven paper on top. Then I will iron it. This is my full waist measurement. I did not deduct from this. I deducted from this that is going under the band. I'll take away 6 inches from here. I'm folding it, so I'm going to take away 3 inches from here. I'm going to take away 3 inches from here. So I'll open it like so. Then I will take it to the machine to sew it. This is the final result, guys. You see, this place was too long because this measurement is really hard for me to take. So this place was a bit long. I cut away the excess from both sides. I will sew Velcro on my belt. This one is called male and female. Let's say this one that is more scratchy is the male, and this one that is soft is the female, okay? In Italian language, you call it maschio e femmina. I've pinned this. Then I will take this and I'll put it on top. So I'm going to be pinning this one here. So this is it, guys. Take a look at my bed. You see? Close it. Voila. This is it.